Okay, so now let's talk about bladder anatomy and physiology, and also a fantastic technique called urge deferment to reduce that urgency that you feel that might lead to leakage sometimes. So here's the bladder. I'm going to use my hands to show you what the function is for that bladder. So normal function is you drink some liquid or eat foods that has liquid and your bladder fills over time. It gets about half full. The muscle around the bladder squeezes a little bit, giving you an urge. Okay? Again, this is normal function. Gets more full, the muscle squeezes harder. More full, the muscle squeezes harder. What can happen with overactive bladder, for all of the reasons, is that you can have just a little liquid in there and the muscle can squeeze really hard. So it makes you think that it's full and you have to go now. The problem is, the more often you listen to that, the worse it gets. So it reinforces that action and the connection between your brain and that amount of full, and it will give you that strong urge, even if it's not full. I like to imagine it as a little puppy dog. We have to retrain it to not squeeze so hard. So we are wanting to control the bladder instead of the bladder controlling us. So there's a technique called urge deferment that you can use that's actually a reflex in the body that makes that muscle causing the urge, it makes the muscle stop squeezing. Okay? So basically, when you feel that strong urge, you feel a strong urge, oh God, I gotta pee. If you can, you take a seat. If you can't, that's okay. You can put pressure on the perineum, the little leg cross, whatever, if you're in line at the grocery store. Take a deep breath, calms the nervous system down. And then your pelvic floor squeezes. Squeeze and relax them 5 times. The relaxing is important. That's the reflex that's making the bladder muscle stop squeezing. Okay? So you squeeze and relax your pelvic floor muscles 5 times, which actually makes that urge go away. But now you have to distract yourself because the puppy dog's insistent, and you have probably trained the bladder and puppy dog for years already. So distract yourself, count down from 100 by 7s as you're walking calmly to the toilet. If the urge comes back, stop again, squeeze and relax 5 times, deep breath, calm the urge down, calmly walk to the toilet. Never rush to the toilet. That's what's going to enforce that the bladder's right, and it's going to squeeze harder again each time. So reviewing one more time, you got a strong urge to pee. If you can, take a seat, breathe, squeeze and relax the pelvic floor 5 times. Calming down that urge, the muscle relaxed. Now distract yourself. Count down from 100 by 7s as you calmly walk to the toilet, and then you can go pee without